If you've got a thick, unruly brush taking over your yard, you need the right tool for the job. In this video, we'll help you find the best weed whacker for heavy brush to tackle tough, overgrown areas with ease. Number 1. Denqir Weed Whacker. The Denqir Weed Whacker is a feature-packed, high-performance tool that brings serious versatility to your lawn care routine. It's designed to function as a grass trimmer, string trimmer, mini lawn mower, and cutter, with 4 interchangeable cutting blades included to handle different tasks around the yard. At the heart of this cordless machine lies an impressive 800W brushless motor, capable of delivering speeds up to 20,000 RPM. This ensures it powers through dense grass, stubborn weeds, and even small branches with ease while maintaining quieter, smoother operation. Brushless motors are also known for their durability and lower maintenance needs, giving this model a longer service life compared to traditional options. The 12-inch cutting width is another time saver, making it possible to tackle larger patches of lawn in fewer passes, perfect for medium-sized yards. Denqir includes 2 3,000 mAh batteries, so you can work longer without the frustration of frequent charging breaks. One of its standout features is the simple conversion from a handheld trimmer to a wheeled string trimmer for edging paths and flower beds. The 4-in-1 blade system enhances its adaptability further. Nylon for grass trimming, a metal blade for dense weeds, a trident blade for tough areas, and a saw blade for thicker branches. This ensures you're covered no matter what the task. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it comfortable for extended use, even during hotter summer days. The tool also offers smooth maneuverability and well-balanced handling, so fatigue is minimal. Altogether, the Denqir Weed Whacker is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a multifunctional, cordless lawn care tool that can handle varied and demanding garden maintenance jobs. Number 2. Wild Badger Weed Whacker. If you're in the market for a gas-powered, heavy-duty weed whacker with classic muscle, the Wild Badger Weed Whacker is worth a look. This 3-in-1 multifunctional machine includes an 18-inch string trimmer/edger and a 10-inch brush cutter, giving users excellent versatility for handling anything from routine grass trimming to thick underbrush removal. Powered by a robust 52 cubic centimeters full-crank 2-cycle engine, this model offers impressive cutting strength and reliability. The full-crank design is a standout feature, known for doubling the life expectancy of half-crank engines, while also delivering higher fuel efficiency and smoother operation. Starting the machine is hassle-free thanks to its Easy Start system, which requires no more than 5 pulls of the cord to get it running, reducing frustration and wasted time. Ergonomics haven't been overlooked here either. The Wild Badger features a thoughtfully balanced design that minimizes operator fatigue, even during extended trimming sessions. Its lightweight frame and comfortable, well-placed handles ensure better control and maneuverability, which is particularly valuable when navigating around garden beds or tight spaces. Maintenance is simplified with a tool-free air filter cover, making it easy to clean and replace the filter without reaching for a toolbox. This is an especially good pick for users who prefer the reliability and uninterrupted power of gas tools over battery-operated alternatives. Number 3. WeGofly Weed Whacker. The WeGofly Weed Whacker is an innovative cordless solution for modern homeowners, combining power, adjustability, and thoughtful design. Equipped with a 12,000 RPM high-speed motor and gear set, this battery-powered weed whacker offers a 200% power increase over previous models, providing dependable cutting strength for trimming, edging, and light brush clearing. It comes with 2 generous 21V 4.0 Ah batteries, ensuring longer runtime for uninterrupted yard work, and is compatible with other 21V WeGofly tools for added convenience. An 11-inch cutting diameter enhances efficiency, making it easy to cover larger areas in fewer passes. The machine's newly developed auxiliary bracket design is particularly helpful for elderly users or those managing smaller gardens, offering better control and ease of use. Versatility is another strong point, with 3 cutting blade options: plastic for basic grass trimming, a metal bending blade for shrubs and tougher weeds, and a saw blade for cutting small branches. Each blade swaps out effortlessly, so you can quickly adapt to whatever the yard throws your way. The ergonomic handle, with a rubber-wrapped grip, ensures comfort during extended use, reducing wrist and arm fatigue. Its extendable, telescoping shaft means it can be adjusted to different user heights and working conditions, from tight corners to open lawns. Safety and thoughtful extras round out the package, including protective glasses, gloves, a wrench, and a screwdriver, along with an easy-to-follow instruction manual. Overall, the WeGofly Weed Whacker is a reliable, user-friendly tool offering ample power and excellent flexibility for routine yard maintenance. Number 4. Lacoco Weed Whacker. The Lacoco Weed Whacker is a solid choice for homeowners seeking a cordless, lightweight, and multifunctional garden tool. Capable of 20,000 RPM, this weed eater can handle everything from trimming soft grass to cutting back thick bushes with its 3-blade system. Included are a plastic blade for grass, a flat iron blade for shrubs, and a circular alloy saw blade for tougher bushes, ensuring versatility for different tasks. Powered by a 650W pure copper motor, the Lacoco provides dependable trimming power with lower energy consumption. Two 2,000 mAh lithium-ion batteries deliver up to 30 minutes of runtime per charge, with a reasonable 3-hour recharge time. Comfort and user safety are clearly priorities in its design. The telescopic handle extends from 45 to 51 inches, making it comfortable for users of varying heights and reducing back strain. Adjustable auxiliary wheels help maintain balance and allow for easier edging along sidewalks or flower beds. Weighing just 5.7 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, even for elderly users or those tackling longer sessions. Added safety features, including a blade cover and safety lock button on the loop handle, protect the user during operation. The Lacoco Weed Whacker excels in trimming and edging jobs for small to medium lawns and is an excellent tool for those who need a lightweight, efficient option that can handle a range of common garden tasks. Number 5. Givilo Weed Whacker. The Givilo Weed Whacker offers a compelling mix of power, runtime, and ergonomic design, making it a fantastic option for anyone wanting a dependable cordless tool. Its upgraded 1300W brushless motor delivers an impressive 23,000 RPM, offering quiet, efficient, and durable performance. Two 24V 4.0 lithium-ion batteries come standard, providing extended runtime so you can complete longer trimming projects without interruption. The Givilo's 12-inch cutting diameter ensures you cover large areas quickly, while the inclusion of alloy saw blades and metal blades makes it versatile enough for both grass trimming and shrub clearing. An adjustable telescopic pole allows users to set the shaft length for maximum comfort, with an adjustable weed head angle ranging from 0 degrees to 90 degrees to easily navigate around sloped lawns, fences, and tight corners. Weighing just 4.3 pounds, it's among the lighter options in its class, reducing user fatigue during prolonged use. Safety features include dual switches to prevent accidental starts and protective blade guards. Its ergonomic rubber-wrapped handle offers added grip and control, making it a well-balanced, easy-to-use machine. For those seeking a lightweight yet powerful weed whacker capable of tackling diverse yard jobs, the Givilo delivers excellent performance and thoughtful design features. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.